what the fuck is going on here, bro? Everyone, I pull up and everyone has different wheels, bro. What?
That shit lifted.
What?
Yeah. No, I could probably go lower for the jack.
Jesse, if you don't buy these off Marcel.
I know I'm going to.
Hey Marcel, if you don't sell these to Jesse.
I'm not just post them on Craigslist, bro.
How about you just sell them to me instead?
No, straight trade. If anyone wants to buy them, bro, or straight trade for PS2.
PS2 straight trade?
I don't need the controllers and nothing. I'll buy it.
I have a PS2.
Oh, you do? Yeah. A PS2 that's not his. I want that one.
Hey, and I see Leo put on his front wheels now. Sheesh.
I had to.
Yeah, you couldn't wait anymore?
No, I got shortened spindles, and my stock wheels wouldn't fix, so I was hitting the controller.
Oh shit. So you just
I threw those on.
so you had to.
Yeah.
I mean, it fucking looks good. So you still gonna relip these?
Yeah, I got 2 lips today.
Damn. Wait, so you have them on you already?
No.
Oh, you bought them.
They're getting made.
Oh, okay, I get you. Damn, dude, that shit's gonna look fresh. And then you guys went and picked up some of the more same wheels.
You twinning, bro.
You twinning now?
I seen Leo and I was like, I gotta do that.
I mean, they do look good on both of your guys' cars. They do look good.
That shit's crazy. I never really liked these wheels as much. Like, I always thought they were dope and shit, and I saw them cheap as fuck. And I was like, And bro, I love them.
I love them.
Dope.
Hey, hit him Marcel. Straight trade for PS2 for the wheels. Jesse don't need them. Marcel's car out here just straight posted on some wood. Straight flexing on the block. Hey, but what would you think, bro? You just drove into a neighborhood, bro. All this was put away, windows up and everything. It was just straight chilling.
That fool's for sure smoking crack, bro. I feel like it.
I mean, I feel like
it's either crack. Yeah, that's for sure crack.
Yeah. Hey, you gonna pull off? You gonna go for a test drive or what?
Yeah.
Alright, for sure.
Alright.
I'll get a roller.
Push up.
Yo, fucking guy, bro. Hey, so what's the deal?
I'm gonna swap that one with that one
What?
because that's the front one and that's the rear one.
Oh shit, look, a free brick.
Hey man, there's no brick.
Alright guys, that's what it's supposed to look like. Damn, okay.
Like got like a little like image of my fucking lip. That's the good.
Yeah, Jesse, if you don't trade him a PS2 for these, bro, I will. And I'll give them to you because they look hard.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Hey, Joseph pulled up. I don't think you guys seen his new wheel setup. He's probably gone through like 3 different wheel setups in the past couple months, but he just recently got these chromes. I think they're chrome. Hey, these are chrome, right? Polished, my bad. They look, yeah, so they're polished. That shit looks good. It's crazy how like the polished wheels matches with like the taillight cover. Good as fuck. What a savage. Damn, the whole squad after quarantine. Alright guys, so yeah, in this vlog is pretty much just the homies. We haven't all kicked it in a minute, but in the next vlog. So I picked this up. That K-tune kit that I got just was not working, so I just decided to buy another pulley. This is just a stock like EP3 pulley. It came with the belt, so yeah, I'm actually throwing like the stock tensioner and the stock alternator and just go this way instead. So that'll be going on in the next vlog, but I'm actually clean up that rest and paint it, make it look nice. So yeah guys, Civic vlogs will return Monday. Got all these parts chilling, so yeah, I mean shit's been crazy guys, you know, past couple months with everything been going on, but now things are starting to, you know, calm down a little bit. So yeah, this is actually the first time we've all chilled like this in a long time. Alright guys, so you guys can expect the vlogs to come back again at least twice a week. It's just shit's been crazy. I was working, I got more time. Literally, how long has it been since it's been all of us kicking it? A long,
like just us 4.
Well, I mean Joseph was here too. It's been a long time since even us 4. But with Joseph too, that's been a long one.
Probably like what, like 12 hours probably.
Yeah, so vlogs should be coming back. Civic, hey, when's iBox? They pushed back iBox by
September, bro.
September, yeah. Yeah, September. So yeah, guys, Civic will be at iBox. Mark my words, Civic is gonna get done. The crossbar is gonna be there. Who knows? It might be painted by then, but iBox not till September. It might be sold. It might be
in the yards.
But yeah, so Civic will for sure be there. The ball's about to get rolling. I'm not playing. I'm not fucking playing. Hey, so why you putting these back on, bro? I like these a lot better.
Bro, I told you over and over. This fool stole my fucking tires.
You stole his tires? Why would you steal his tires, bro?
He stole his own fucking tires. He knows it.
Oh, so now I'm okay. For sure.
Hey, I'm out of here. Hey. Bro, I fucking hate that guy. Holy shit. Also, guys, these are still up on the site. We got different colors too, so check them out. Link will be down in the description box. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Go for a spin, guys. Leo says it's running good now, so let's see. You feel that boost kick in a lot better though. That spun a little second too, huh?
Yeah, I didn't do it right. I didn't shift too well there.
One more pass. Damn, that shit sounds so sick, dude. That's just pretty quick. First and second, just fucking the pool, and third. That power band felt nice too. Sheesh. Alright guys, so I know it's been a minute since we've given an update on the Nissan, but as you guys just saw, it's running fucking mint and also has this lip. What kind of lip is that?
Stilling lip.
Stilling.
For the USDM bumper, but trimmed a little bit, make it fit the GDM bumper.
So yeah, it looks fucking good, guys. My boy painted it himself and painted the bumper. Rattle cans. Fucking legend, bro. This shit looks so good. You can't even tell at all. Very nice. This thing is so fucking clean, guys. They also painted that valve cover as like that color to it. Damn, I might have to use that paint for my valve cover in the cage. Fucking Leo, bro. You already know, guys, how to pull out the whip onto the street for that quick photo shoot.
That's what I was saying.
Bro, where'd you get that umbrella, bro?
Jesse Strong.
Damn. Dude, that lip made such a huge difference, bro. And when you get that grill, damn.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, I got the thumbnail right here.
Oh yeah.
Thumbnail.
My boy buzzing, man.
Hey, yo, the plug. What's up, G?
Hey, I'm on delivery. I just came to say what's up.
Marcel wants me to get a photo shoot of him and the whip, so we're doing real quick, guys.
Oh, I hear that.
Bro, is that a fucking hood ornament? Dude, what the fuck? Hold on, Marcel, hold on. Before I can take a picture of you, bro, what the fuck is this? Bro. What the fuck is this?
You weren't ready for that, huh?
Yo, is that really on there? Can I touch it?
That's on there, bro. That shit on there, bro. That shit on there.
No way.
That shit on there, bro.
Yo. Bro, where'd you get that?
eBay for 20 bucks.
Dude, I barely fucking, dude, I barely saw this right now. What the fuck? Hey, I fuck with it.
That's all
I
I'm
respect it.
Alright, give me a picture.
Alright, I'm gonna get your picture.
Hey, I'll pay you later.
Hey, that looked pretty good. Hey, pay me now.
Talk to my accountant.
What the fuck? Shit, I'm gonna get my fucking paycheck right now. Give me this shit. And here we got the boys wrenching on the LS.
Yes, sir.
Damn, bro, when'd you LS swap this?
Yesterday, bro. I'm just finishing the bike. You breaking one?
You only lose a bolt one time. The last time. Fired.
Hey, this is a nice Ford 500. Damn, my boy leveled up over here, gone, bro. You see?
Oh, I got a bolt for that.
Boy, he got that CEO business on GTA now.
No, it's like a basic manifold.
The VP.
Okay. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end off the video right here. I'm actually gonna record a separate vlog right now. I'm gonna work on a Civic finally, so the next video will be a Civic on the vlog, guys. Hopefully we can figure out the issues that we've been having. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. So yeah guys, right now it's a crazy time, guys, so I just want you guys to be safe. With everything going on, we've been trying. I know there's not been a lot of vlogs recently, but a lot of vlogs should be coming. Like I said, this vlog is gonna go up, and then we're about to record the Civic vlog right now. So yeah guys, stay tuned. A lot of vlogs will be coming very soon. Alright, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps us out, helps the videos get out there more. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. Check out the website, link will be down below. Also guys, if you guys are into stocks or anything, or want to get into stocks, hit my Robinhood link. We'll both get a free stock, so what better way to start off than that. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. We're about to start working on the Civic right now, so be on the lookout guys. Later.